Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm inspired by art again and I am inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So this week I am inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night, and to achieve this makeup look I am going to be using one main eyeshadow palette, and then I will see if I want to put in another eyeshadow that is a lighter blue, but for all over lid color I'm going to be using one color. I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and I'm going in with Neptune, this one right here. And the first thing I'm going to be using is a big fluffy eyeshadow brush so that I can get it all the way over here and just have it kind of diffused. I don't know about anybody else, but when I was in college I had to do an essay on a few different artists, like painters, artists, not musical artists, because I studied fashion design. So I had to do essays on their art, and then there was one exhibition that I did go to because they had one in the city that I was at that time, and that was Gustav Klimt's. So I saw that one for myself. But when it came to Van Gogh, I had to do a lot of research in books and on internet to get my essay because there was no exhibition in my town at that time for Van Gogh. But there's a lot you can learn from these artists with colors, with pencil strokes to apply on your face, because makeup is paint. Well, it's art, but in a different form than paint. It's basically powder and liquids put on your face because your face is the canvas, and that's it. That's the difference. Your face is the canvas and they use canvas as their canvas. But have any of you actually been to an art exhibit, and if so, which one did you go to and how did it make you feel? Like, what did you find it inspiring, or did they mess up the exhibition by putting things in the wrong order? Because that has happened before. I never seen it in my life with my own eyes, but I'm sure that has happened once or twice. But what was your experience going to an art exhibit? Leave a comment down below, I would like to know. Okay, so I'm still going to be using the same color, but this time I am applying with first my finger and then I will go in with a pencil, but when it's time for the pencil, I will show you which one I'm using. It's the same color as the Neptune, and I'm just using my finger and I am putting that on my lid. And I might go in with a brush on top of it later to make it more intense, just because you want the eyeshadow on your lid to be really dark. I might actually go in with another color on top to make it darker, because I don't know, this may not be dark enough. I actually needed much darker than this, so I think I will go in with it's the same palette, the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I think I'll go in with the Night Sky because it's darker. And then I think I want to use a firm brown brush like this one to get it color all over my lid. So I want that on my lid basically, and then I want to also put it underneath my eye, but I think I want to put it about halfway because I can always blend it out to the center. And I don't want the darkest color on my lower lashes towards the center of my eye, or to the inner corner of my eye. Now I want to take the Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this, and I want to blend out a little bit in the outer corner, maybe just a little bit here. Nothing too crazy here, but mostly like underneath. That's where I want to focus the blending. That was the easy part. Now comes for the design part. So let me look at the image. There's a lot of different colors and there are a lot of different swirls. So the first I want to go in with, I'm going to be switching between these two to make the designs, and I'm going in with the Catrice Calligraph Artist Matte Liner in the shade 040 Butterscotch, which is the shade right here. And I'm also going to be using the Catrice waterproof eyeliner in the shade 020 Tweed White, which is white, right, this one right here. Now I do know that there's more to the painting than the sky, but I want to do the sky because that's the one that kind of catches my eye the most. So the first I want to start with is the yellow Butterscotch Calligraph. And I want to draw a star sun, something in this area right here on both sides. I want the eyes to match as much as I can match my eyes. So the waves curl in the sky, so I want to see if I can wave it and curl it this way, just because I have the Starry Night right here. And now I want to go ahead and put a little star in the inner corner as well, just a small one. Then I want to finish it off with mascara, and I'm putting mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I just want to make sure I don't have any eyeshadow on my... So I will curl my lashes first. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this. And like I said, I want to put that on my upper and lower lashes. And then I want to take the NYX Strobe of Genius, and I want to take the shade Purple, and I want to go ahead and use a small brush like this, and I just want to put that in the inner corners of my eye. Then I want to put on setting spray, and the setting spray I'm using is the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. And so that is the finished look. This is what a Starry Night makeup look looks like, at least my version of it. I'm sure there are many other makeup versions out there, but this is mine, and it's very simple and very easy to do. And you get a little bit of everything from the sky going on your eyelids. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!